Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this brown sugar glazed salmon. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making a super delicious brown sugar glazed salmon. It's sweet, it's salty, and I am obsessed with it. It's so good. I love salmon. I eat it just about every single day. I'll have a salmon salad, and this salmon recipe goes great. I just chop it up and put it on a salmon salad, or I serve it with a side of vegetables, and it's fantastic. We're gonna make the glaze, and I've got a tablespoon of avocado oil in this bowl, and we've got on the side over here, we've got about 4 to 6 ounce, they're probably more like 6 ounce portions of salmon. You can buy them already portioned out like this. They do have the skin on them. You can buy it without the skin. Either way is fine. I don't eat the skin. I just peel it right off after it's done cooking. You could also buy a plank of salmon and cut it into portions or not. It really is up to you. So to our avocado oil, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, keto-friendly brown sugar. I use Swerve, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And I like to use kosher salt. So we're gonna mix this up, and that's all for our glaze. So this is enough glaze for 4 to 6 portions of salmon. So I put the salmon on foil, and I sprayed the foil with cooking spray just so the skin doesn't stick to the foil. And now I'm just going to spoon the glaze very generously on each of my pieces of salmon. And that is it. These are ready for the oven. These are going to cook in a 400-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. You don't want to overcook your salmon. If it starts to have like white stuff coming out of the salmon, that means your salmon is overcooked. That's the protein coming out of the salmon. So you don't want it to go that far. Pull it out before that, definitely. So in the oven, these can go. Okay, our brown sugar glazed salmon is out of the oven. It is so perfect. Let me just show you how amazing it is, and it flakes so nicely. And you can just get it right off the skin. You can just flake it right off the skin, just like that. My favorite salmon. That is so good. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.